Currently the AC is started, there is the light, the plastic is damaged a little bit. Okay, so now it's off, light is off, and now the AC is on. Okay, and here we have a fuse box, and open it up. So it was this way. If you lift it up, here we can see a Snowflake sign, 20 amps. It looks like that. So we have a 20, a 5 and another 5. So 20, 5 and 5, one next to the other. And here in the right row we have 25 and 5. So let's remove that 20, which is next to two 5 ampere fuses. So remove that yellow somehow. I need to use these pliers. Let's see if I can remove it. The engine is off. Now don't squeeze this, not too much. And here it is. And it's kind of brown, so it looks like that. It's a 5 amp fuse. Okay, and now start the engine. And the AC is still on. At least that light bulb is on. Airbag, that's an old message. Oil. Revision and airbag. So there is no other error message. And is there a sound change if I press the AC button? Yes, now it was. So when it powers on, the engine slows down a little bit. So no change when I power it off. And now there will be a slight change. There was a hum. So this is not for the AC, or at least more of them need to be removed. So the 20 amp fuse is not acting upon that AC. So let's put it back. This is not too easy. I can't see anything. Now it entered. AC should be still working. The lamp is on. There was a slight sound change. Now that hum, so it's working in the same manner. Yes, that hum is present. So the Snowflake sign is not acting upon the air conditioning. By the way, this is this way. So you have to rotate it to the left, and then the right side here is the right side there. Insert the left side and insert the right side.